Hello, YouTube. I know it's been a long time, and I know I've been off. I'm not making videos on YouTube, on Instagram, and it's been a long time. And I'll tell you about that. But before that, we are going for shopping. And what we are buying? Not clothes. We are buying my first ever MacBook and a brand new iPhone. Why I'm buying a new iPhone and a MacBook? Okay, the phone I use for shooting my content. Back camera of that phone is almost broken. It has this dent, and when I shoot the videos it flickers, and the clip when I shoot from this phone I already have, because of that dent the video gets really blurred. And the videos I edit on YouTube, on Instagram, all the videos, all the content, I don't edit them on a laptop, I edit them on this phone. Yes, all the videos, about long form videos on YouTube, shorts, reels, the brand work, and the quality is down. And because of that heavy editing, the performance and the battery is down as well. When I charge my phone to 80%, around 80 to 90, it gets to around 10% in just an hour or two. That's really like tough to manage. So it fucks with my workflow. बैटरी भी जल्दी चले जाता है, कैमरा क्वालिटी भी बकवास हो चुकी है, and I think it's time to upgrade. From now on, I'll shoot on my new iPhone and I'll edit on the laptop. So that's gonna make it easier for me to shoot more and edit as soon as possible and upload. Also, for the past month, I've been upgrading my lighting setup. You will see some new setup in the coming videos. New lighting setup, new phone, new laptop. So it's gonna be fun. You'll love the content quality, overall content quality. And I'm really excited to share new stuff, new content with you guys, just with you guys. I'm gonna say thank you to all of you for supporting me in my journey, and I know you're gonna be here for a long time, so it's gonna be fun. Also, you guys be wondering, it's gonna be really expensive buying phone and laptop together. I know it's gonna be expensive, but it will be worth it, and I'm getting a really good deal and no cost EMI for 6 months, so that's manageable. So let's go. I'll tag you along, guys, for the shopping. Let's go. Okay, so unfortunately उनके पास laptop available नहीं था. We went to Apple store, then we went to Chroma. और किसी के पास भी लैपटॉप अवेलेबल नहीं था. I mean the color I want in silver color, और सिल्वर किसी के पास भी नहीं था स्टॉक. उनके पास सिर्फ एक वो ब्लू कलर था which I didn't like at all, और सबके पास सिर्फ एक वही कलर अवेलेबल था. But we want the OG silver. So what we did, we booked the laptop, we gave them token. It will arrive probably in 3 days. So we'll wait till then, and also we're gonna buy an iPhone on the same day when the laptop will arrive. So दोनों साथ में हो जाएगा. अब 3 दिन रुकते हैं, 3 दिन बाद मिलते हैं, फिर लैपटॉप भी ले आएंगे और फ़ोन भी. 3 दिन और रुकना पड़ेगा, बट ठीक है, कोई नहीं, रुक लेंगे. Bye, good night.
3 days later.
Okay, so I got a call from them and they said the laptop is here. So we gonna go and pick up our MacBook. Let's go. It's gonna be fun. Let's get dressed. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Whoa. So we were not able to buy the phone on the same day we bought the laptop because of some issue. The other day we went to the store and the phone was not available. Now we got a call from Chroma and they said the phone is back in stock. I really want the silver one, but that's not gonna be back in stock for almost like 10 to 15 days. उतना ज़्यादा तो मैं रुक नहीं पाऊँगा अभी. So we'll go and we will get the phone. We'll be buying navy, deep blue. So let's go.
The next day.
Oh, so got the laptop, got the phone, got the haircut done. Before you guys leave the video, it's my birthday tomorrow. I want to take you guys with me on this beautiful day, and I want to share my birthday with you guys. Happy birthday to me, and thank you so much to all of you.
हम हर साल मनाएंगे जन्म में हम हर साल
I never imagined that I would get the opportunity to do Chaur Sahib Seva at Gurupurab on Guru Nanak Dev Ji's Prakash Purab. Really felt like God's favorite kid on that moment. All because of God, thankful to God for everything. So this is how the day went. It was amazing, unreal, honestly. And I'm really excited to make fresh content for you guys. And the good news is that winters शुरू हो गए हैं. स्वेटर बना हुआ है, बहुत ठंडी है बाहर. And I'm really excited to make winter content. In the coming videos, you guys are going to see a lot of winter stuff, winter fashion stuff, winter outfits, and a lot more on YouTube, on Instagram. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel and you are following me on Instagram as well. And I want to thank you guys for everything, for always supporting me and watching me, sharing my videos, commenting on my videos. You guys like my videos, my content. Thank you so much for showing love, and I'm really grateful for each and every one of you. So thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. I'm really excited to make fresh new content.